Hi, Year 2. So I'm just going to walk you through how to access the T2P asynchronous module that you must complete. So the first thing you're going to do is go to westernt2p.ca. Hopefully you've already been here for some of the synchronous events. So you need to register for an account in order to complete asynchronous events. You cannot access them unless you have an account. So all you have to do is hit this button to register. And it's super easy. Just follow the instructions like you would anywhere else. Once you have an account, you can just log in. And you'll be taken back to the main page. So all you need to do is go to modules and then scroll down and you'll see that there is year 2. So there may be some other modules, and if they say year 1, don't do them. You don't need to do them. Only do year 2. So for this one, you just click and you will see a button that says start course. So as you can see, there is a due date. And the module will close after the due date. So make sure that you set a time to do this. So your learning goals will be here, your success criteria. So read through those before you start the course so you know what you're supposed to be doing and what you are supposed to be achieving. So start course. You'll just be taken to this page. So this module is only one page long. So what you're going to do is just read through, watch the presentation, and then complete the check for understanding like you have been for the synchronous events. So super easy. Once you're finished, you can feel free to hit finish course. You don't need to. It doesn't track or change anything. The check for understanding is what is being tracked. Okay, so that's it. Hope that was helpful. And yeah, I'll talk to you all soon.